In today's video, I am going to show you how you can create your own e-commerce website for free without writing a single line of code. I believe this website is better than Shopify. So just head over to the Spread Simple, link is given in the description box. Once you are there, just click on Get Started button. And so here just tap on Continue with Google and select your Gmail ID from the list. It will take 3 to 5 seconds to create your account. Once you are in, you will see this type of interface. Now I will guide you how you can create your e-commerce website from scratch. First click on New Website right here. Then you have three options to start with. First is select any template to create, and another one is from Google Sheet, and the third one is AI Creator, which you need to select with AI Creator. So as you can see here, we are inside the AI Creator dashboard. Here you will see two ways to create your e-commerce website. You can type out your own custom prompt describing what you want, or you can choose one of the pre-made ideas like affiliate store, job board, tourist guide, and template store, and local business, and many more. If you select any of these, AI will create automatically a prompt, but I want to test it deeply, so I have my own prompt right here. So I will explain you how you can write a prompt. In the prompt, you need to type what type of product you are selling, the design style like colorful dark theme, and you just need to describe logo ideas and the sections you want. You can mention. If you don't need to mention these, you can just type the basic thing like I want a tech website to sell my tech products, and it will also create that. So as you can see here, I write my prompt and click on generate button. It started to create a website. This process might take 3 to 5 minutes because AI is creating your website from scratch. It also depends how complex is your website. It is generating a logo and everything, store name, and the all sections we need in our website. So as you can see here, it's automatically generated the hero images and our main website logo and website rows, and you can see generation is now done. We can take a look at the website. It looks like pretty good, but I think we should have the white background that look really cool to this website. So just edit that. For that, you just need to click on continue with editor button right here. Once you click on continue with editor, it will open a new window. Now here you can edit everything of your website. Just give it a moment to load this, and here you can see the magic. Now you have option to edit with Google Sheets and all that stuff. First of all, let me show you how you can edit your pricing and all that stuff first, and then I will show you how you can edit design. So just if you need to change price and you want to change any color theme, you can just go to design tab and select your color which you want. Even you have the color tab, you can select your own custom color. Now you can see our website looks pretty cool. Now we can just edit the pricing and the product if we want. So for that, just go to the content tab and we can change. So first we are changing for the ultrasound wireless buds, and let's change for that. So the current price of this product is about 100 bucks, so let's change it. For that, just go in the content tab right here. Here you will see a button edit with Google Sheet. You just need to click on that. As you can see here, I just click on edit with Google Sheet button right here. It will open Google Sheets in your new tab. Now what you need to do is, just I will zoom it for you first. You can see the product. This is a product we are going to edit. You can see the SKU unit number and the primary image, price category, and all these things right here. If you want to change the price, we just can edit price whatever we want. Like I want to set 129, so I will just enter 129 and we just save this sheet. And now if we go to the website back and refresh this sheet, just clicking on right refresh button, and it will automatically save. And if we see the price now, it will automatically update it to 129 bucks. But the website color is again gray, so let's change it. First, just go in the design tab and select white and click on save. So this is the best part of the Google Sheet. You can edit everything, like you can even add products from here. You can select or change category. You can edit titles, descriptions, product review, and if you want to add some special discount titles or maybe the newsletters, you can edit everything from the Google Sheets, and I believe everyone knows how to use Google Sheets. Moreover, if you go in the design tab, you will find many options. You can upload your own logo, enter your website name. You can just change everything you want from website layout, colors, everything. And like if you want to add map in website, you can add that too. You can enable header and footer. If you want to keep header or not, you can just add it from here. If you want to add any additional things, you can write there. And let's say we want to change the name. I changed to Showops, and we will see if the name is updated yet. So let's go in the top, and you can see our name is now updated. So it's barely takes seconds to edit any of these. You can just edit any pages like customer support, trending deals, or any pages you want. If you want to add some more pages, you can even add. I will show you in the video, so stay tuned for that. So if you go in the content tab, you can add map views and if you want to add more pages, calendars, and the stock variations, there are a lot of options. I can't explain everything in the detail, so just I am giving you an overview. It depends on your creativity how you want to customize your website. You can even add checkout settings. You can select what features do you want to keep in website, what to remove, and what to add. Like if you go to checkout setting, and here what features do you need, like address, name, email address, notes, and you can make sure to just save it once you're done with your editing, so it can be reflected to your website. And if you go to setting, you will have SEO settings and the metadata settings and general settings. Even the domain you can change of this website, I will show you later. So now you can see, if you want to add more pages, just click on the pages and you can click on add page, and you can add your new page. Currently we have 4 pages: about us, contact us, and the customer reviews. And if you want to add page, just click on here, and you can even select the page address, SEO for that page, meta description. Even you can hide that page from search. So now let's see the other add-ons here. If we go to the add-ons, we have a lot of add-ons here. If we click on this, you can see Google AdSense, URL replacement tags, RSS feed, and the WhatsApp orders to chat, external checkout, and the Google AdSense beta version, and the Google Tag Manager. And we have Google Analytics to see the to keep the track of the website, how many viewers visited this. We even have a search option in this website to search any product. And if you want to publish this website, just click on publish. You can just publish this website on a subdomain of Spread Simple. But if you need subscription of Spread Simple, how you can do that? You just need to click on start your free trial button right here. Once you do that, you will see 3 plans. First one is Connect, second one is Business Plan, and third one is Starter. I prefer Starter because here you can select your custom domain and you have all that features. If you want to buy, just click on that and you will get 14 days free trial too. And here you just need to enter your some basic details like a zip or postal code. Then you need to click on continue button, and you can pay with PayPal or you can pay with your card, whatever you prefer. You can even make for free, but if this is only mandatory if you want to change your to custom domain and you want more settings like SEO, Google Analytics, so that you need to buy. If you need a basic website, you can make for free too. In the Pro plan, there are many features that you can unlock with, but if you just want to keep it normal, you can just run it on Spread Simple domain. If someone orders it, you will get a notification on email as well. So let's see how our stores looks like. You can see our store overview right here. And if we want to buy anything, just we need to click on shop button and we can buy. Just click on shop and enter some basic detail. We can buy that product and we get a notification on our email and we can just fulfill that order. So it's that simple to create. I hope you liked it. If you want a full demo, like from everything for template, for Google Sheets, and all that demo you need, you just need to tell me in the comment section. I will create next video for you. Thank you so much for watching.